3 feet RG58 coax cable with place 259 connectors. Great for CB, amateur ham radio two-way radio hookups. 3-foot RG58 patch cable for two-way CB radio uses. Top reviews from the United States. RG58 cable with ends, ready-made, ready to go. I needed a cable for my radio equipment. I didn't want to piece something together since I didn't have the scraps around. This was perfect for what I needed. Well put together, good quality. I would recommend this product. I do not know the seller nor did I get any product or money for my random review. 200-605-1412